My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today we go to the future.
Let's try one more time, all right?
My name's Aaron Cairo, and today we go to the future. Oh, that's pretty good.
Good throw, buddy.
Let's see what's inside of this. Could be anything. Oh my gosh! Back to the future hoverboard. Okay, this is for 14 plus, so if you're under 14, sorry, can't skate it. Wow, look at that. It even says Back to the Future Part 2. I feel like somebody's made a YouTube video of this before.
Whoa.
Oh wait, that was me.
Back then, you just went back to the future.
Yeah.
Now here we are again.
Okay, we definitely cannot make this with the hardware available.
Yes.
Oh wait. There's a small screwdriver. Actually, I got a really good idea.
So wait, what are you doing?
Taking this off, okay, putting the trucks to that, and then putting it back in there. Okay.
All right, so, oh, I see what you mean.
You see what I mean, right?
Yep. Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, yep, that's cracking.
You think?
But it'll work.
Dude, I'm getting much smarter over the years. If you saw the first video of this and you see this video, leave it in the comments below if I'm smarter now.
I just really thought we were past this.
Yeah, so this is probably pretty good. Diamond hardware.
You do one on the inside, one on the outside.
Shout out Marty McFly. Okay, this is how you do it. Home science class, home ec. Make just a small
incision.
Small incision. Now you got the precision. Now you're ready for the vision. See what I did there?
Are you on reverse? Why is it taking so long? I've never seen you so in focus.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know, I might just work, Gabe.
Dang. At this point in your life, you're really just hovering, man.
If somebody can make us a You Make It, We Skate It board that looks exactly like this, but is solid, metal, or wood, please.
I think if someone can make us You Make It, We Skate It that actually floats that looks like this, we would love to have it.
Leave it in the comments below. Tell me I didn't just slay that.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Okay, where'd that other truck go?
I feel like by the time you get these trucks on, you will have been able to invent a real time machine.
I know, no problem.
So what kind of goals do you have for this?
For this?
Yeah.
Ride down the bank, drop in.
Okay.
Kickflip? I feel like the trucks are breaking off on kickflip.
I'm not sure.
Maybe go into the future?
Oh, okay.
I'm really proud of my craftsmanship here. I think it's getting better.
In the, how long has it been? I want to say, what, 6 years since the last time you've done this?
Yeah.
Your craftsmanship is just...
Through the roof.
Yeah, absolutely. It's back to the future. Hey, Aaron.
Hey.
Would you say that in this video we will venture into the unknown?
I would say that in this video, we're going back to the future. So somebody was just over there going, what is that? Like, where's that from? And I said, Back to the Future. And I just got this blank stare. If any of you are watching this and you do not know what Back to the Future it is a movie where the main character gets on a board that hovers and he's in the future. You tracking with me? Tracking with me? In the future and he's hovering. So this, we're making a real hoverboard. So I don't know exactly what the strap is for. The only thing I can think is that in the future everybody skates Mongo.
I don't know.
It's a pretty scary future, isn't it? So I guess you just strap your foot in.
Dude, I can't believe... Dude, these are like hoverboard on high trucks.
Oh no, it's good. Whoa! Wait, look at this.
Wow. Dude, you could hit a 1 foot 360 spin.
It's okay, Aaron.
Snake!
Oh. Okay, James, where are you at? I'm pretty sure these trucks are gonna break off. So we need somebody light. So first, before you even do that, let's roll in on the bank. Careful. Careful.
Oh!
Drop it on the vert ramp.
Dang.
I got it.
Get a good pop.
I'm actually shocked.
Oh, no!
Everything
Hey,
about
can we get
it.
a damage report, Aaron?
All right, let's see the damage on this. The screws are still in. Everything actually seems good.
Dude, this is a nice 3-ply hoverboard right
I know
here.
what I need to do here. Just get that down.
Whoa, 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 that's cheating.
Now you're golden. I guess you just need to weigh 35 pounds. Ricky, how much do you weigh?
40.
Right here, this is one. Good pop, good flick.
Oh, no, oh,
Yeah, go. Let's get it.
Oh!
First try. Wait, please do not drop in on that. No, 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 no.
My.
This is a bad idea.
Oh!
First try.
Sounds so funny.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh!
That was amazing. You got that. You got that. Run it back. I wonder what would have happened if Ricky would have just stood on that. Just the whole thing just shatters.
Oh,
see
no.
that too.
All right, now.
You did not break my hoverboard.
Yes, I
Oh! Let's go. Let's go. Write it out.
did. Kickflip.
Don't worry about breaking it.
Okay,
You got it. You know you can land it. You got it.
Just whatever you do, don't break it.
Oh!
There it is.
Oh! Hover shop.
Okay. Pop these in. Pop that in. Now you're good.
Definitely.
We actually need to get one of these and just fill it with something that would be nice, that would solidify and make it like really strong.
As hard as you can. Oh! All right, here it is. This is the one. Flick as hard as you can. Oh!
Let's go. Gabe, one thing I noticed is the trucks are still on there. Yeah.
Dude, you're right.
I did a good job. You sure about this?
Maybe.
I'm not.
Who knows?
Oh!
Yeah, first try.
That was scary.
I think we should get JD to do the kickflip real quick.
Okay, let's go. Big flip time. He's been working on this big flip all day. You know what you gotta do when you land, Sammy? Don't have your feet close together. And then you got it.
The Jason!
Yes! Oh, wait.
Oh! Oh!
First try. JD, can you kickflip this?
What?
We need you to sub in.
Just give it a kickflip.
Just gotta pop and flick really, really hard.
Crap, this thing is flexing.
Oh, there it is.
Alright, I'm gonna get a cleaner one.
Oh no. Primo means destruction.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop in the mini ramp with it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
JD!
I can't believe you broke my hoverboard. I give you one chance.
You did get one kickflip.
Yeah.
Good job. Good front three, too. There we go. Oh, wait. I don't think that's gonna work. I'm just telling you now.
3, 2.
The hover's not on.
Oh, it worked.
Hoverboard repair shop. We need something to like, another piece of hardware to just hold this down.
Yeah, I'm telling you, a little bit of duct tape and you're home free.
You got duct tape?
I don't know.
All right, now you're good.
It's breaking. Fakey.
Let's get it.
Oh!
Would you say we're sending this board back to the future? What I feel like the trucks are better put on than last time. The tricks are better than last time. We're gonna need to show some of the tricks from last time and see, have we improved over the last 6 years of doing this? I think so.
Oh, hold it! Oh! Rick, could you say that that was a disaster averted?
I mean, that was amazing.
Okay, 3 more tries.
Stop that.
Oh! Now it's really coming apart. I think you gotta go a little faster.
Do you think a hoverboard, like a kickflip on a real hoverboard would work?
Yeah? It would have to be like set up so when it flips, it disengages though.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Otherwise it would just,
Redo.
yeah, rebate. Yeah, go ahead. I need this in there. It's good luck.
I'll give you back if you do it.
Okay, you ready?
Bring it off it.
Whoa,
5% that you're gonna do it without breaking it.
5% chance? I like those odds.
Dang!
Yo, it's easier. Oh. Oh.
I love how James just fully took this over running it. You got that, Sammy! Full send. I mean, I should just make this into a necklace.
Hey, this is what Woodward Camp is about.
Yeah?
They come and they get to skate a hoverboard.
That's right. When do you get to skate a hoverboard? Woodward Camp. Right here, $100. Cash app. Oh! Yeah. Wow! Yeah! Woo!
Well
Now
done.
go, I'm just gonna jump. Oh.
Gabe, how are those trucks still on
I was
there?
just about to say that. How did you know I was about to say that? I was literally about to say those are the most solid trucks we've ever put on anything.
Because I'm a brilliant genius, that's why.
Literally one of them doesn't even have washers.
We can get this thing on there too. We just need to it just needs to be screwed down.
I will say that I was the one that suggested the risers.
Yeah, good job. We hope you enjoyed this video. Anybody who can make us a real legit hoverboard, either that hovers or even that's like this, but it's legit, has trucks and wheels and looks really legit, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll be looking out for your email. All right, check out all those videos right there. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. If you're watching this and you have not yet started to skateboard, go get yourself a Braille Best Beginner Complete and get on the board. brailleskateboarding.com, we got everything you need. It's go time.